check it out, oh, like that.
Sunday in the city,
Yeah,
sounds good to me.
sounds so good to me.
Sunday in the city.
It's just another sunny day, yo, down in sunny Dago. Even though my money stay low, I still manage to find a tall, smooth beer. I swear the hottest women in the world all move here. I can't even drive down Garnett without damn near causing a car wreck. These girls are ridiculous. I think when Axl Rose wrote the lyrics to Paradise City, he pictured this. It's just a Sunday on the porch, my crew's chilling out, listening to Zapp playing Horseshoes, grilling out. Thinking it can't get no better than this, but it's bittersweet as I reminisce. Cause every time I think of that city, I think of my man Fresh and wish he was still with me on the stoop. Watching the women walk through, I wish he was still living to talk to. Damn. Be cautious.